In this video, we're going to discuss what changes do you have to make on your website to convert your website visitors into real customers. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you one of the websites that we've done recently for one of our clients, and I'm going to guide you through exactly what changes we have done to increase the conversions from this website. All right, guys, so this is the website that I was talking about. So let's just go through step by step, and I will explain you what elements did we change to make it convert better, to make it convert visitors into real inquiries and then into real customers. So first of all, when you visit this website, it's actually, the website address is jacksconcreting.com, so you can check it later. And the first element that we added was a big headline at the top, right? So it says local hands-on Brisbane concreters talk to Jack. Now, the headlines, they play one of the major roles on your website, because with the headlines, the person who's visiting your website will realize whether they're interested in a website or not, right? So if somebody is looking for the concreting job in Brisbane, when they come to the website and they read this headline that says local hands-on Brisbane concreters talk to Jack, automatically they will realize, okay, we're in the right place, if they're looking for the concreting, of course. And another big advantage that this headline provides for anybody who reads, it has some sort of a personality, right? Because it says talk to Jack. It doesn't say talk to us. It doesn't say anything general. It says talk to Jack, which means that there is a real person behind this business whose name is Jack, right? So more personality usually works much better in terms of the conversions, right? Because people like and love to deal with people. They don't really like to deal with machines or some big companies where they don't know who is responsible for what. Now, another element that you can notice on this website, at the very top, it says find out what sets us apart. Now, this link takes the prospect to the page where they can read the main points of difference. So what differentiates us from the competition. It's also very important for your business to think about what kind of a benefits do you provide for your customers? How are you different from your competition? Because if you are all the same, if you provide the similar prices, if there is nothing else that can benefit the client, it's going to be tough for you in terms of the competition, because then you have to compete on a price. But if you can think about something that you can provide, and it can be a free quote, it can be certain payment plans, it can be that you can do work faster than your competition. So you just have to think about specifically for your industry what you can provide as a benefit, as an extra benefit for your clients, and not just the price, right? Now, if we scroll down, you will see the top of the page has changed a bit, right? So automatically, dynamically, this page, the head of this page changed. So what we do now, we have two buttons here. One is get quote, another one provides the phone number to call, right? And why we did it? Well, because this is our main goal, right? Our main goal for anybody who visits this website is to make an inquiry, right? So if we have a prospect who is interested in concreting job, our main goal for this website is for them to make an inquiry with the business, because everything else starts from the inquiry. So that's why once the prospects, the website visitors start scrolling, we always at the top, we always have these two main buttons, get quote and the phone number, so they can tap and call. Now, another big thing that I always advise our clients to have on their website is the video, right? And as you can see, we have a video on this landing page as well. The video is about concreting steps explained. So the customers, the prospects can watch the video of us completing the job, right? And it's also very important, because video actually provides more engagement with the person who is watching, right? Because one thing is when somebody is reading or just scrolling through, when it comes to the video, they engaged more and they're building more trust with your business while watching the video. And now also one of the very important parts when it comes to conversion optimization is to have more personality on the website. Like I already mentioned earlier, if you mention the name of the business owner or you show the photo of the person who is coming and doing the quote, you're actually building this trust with the client. And if you think about it, we really remember faces better than we remember logos, or we remember business names, etc., right? So if you think about, like, you came to the website, you saw a picture of the person who is going to come and do the quote for you, right? Or an estimate. And then the same person shows up at your door, you will feel like you already know this guy, right? Because you saw him on the website already, you read about him, you watched the video about him. So yeah, it works really well. So instead of just using stock images with some smiling faces, and people can actually see whether you're using stock images or it's something real. Now, also, of course, the big part of convincing the client that your company can be trusted are the reviews, right? So it's a very, very good idea to include the reviews from your previous client, to include it on your landing pages. And just, you don't have to have too many, you know, up to 7 is enough. But the more genuine they are, the better, right? So don't try to trick the client, etc. Use genuine good reviews, and they also work very, very well. Always include the gallery page, and on a gallery page, client can click and clients can see the pictures of the completed jobs, right? So they can open it up, they can go one by one, and they can see the images of the jobs that you have completed in the past, right? And again, the more you have, the better. I usually advise to have at least 50 images, 50 pictures of the completed job. And yeah, that should be enough to start. But the more you add as you go, the better. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and we're going to be posting more videos about how you can get more clients for your business, how you can convert more website visitors into the clients, and also how you can do more sales, because it's one thing to receive an inquiry from the client, and it's another thing to actually close the sale. So subscribe, like, and we will be posting more videos very soon.